Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about the Python installation. So today is the first session. After that, slowly we'll go through the Python session and some magical programming about the Python. So this is the official documentation. The URL is given in the docs, so don't worry. No need to write. I will share this document in my description box. Okay. So you just copy this URL and open in any browser and paste it. You'll able to see the same page. This is my browser page. And in this page, just scroll down. Scroll down. You can see the executable installer. Like I'm highlighting this one. Windows x86 is for 64-bit. And if your laptop or computer having the 32 bits, then you can download according to that. Okay. And everything is there in the documentation. Scroll down. This is the second step. You have to just click this option, highlighted option, considering that you have 64-bit laptop. In my case it is 64-bit, that's why I just download this one. Then scroll down. Once after the downloaded, then it gives then just double click. It is executable file. You just double click and it will open. And then there is a pop-up will open. There is a run option. You just click on run. Once you click on the run, then again we'll get one more pop-up like below screen like this. So here make sure you have choose the 64-bit if you have 64-bit OS, and if a 34-bit you says choose accordingly. Okay. And below you can see you just click the checkbox like add Python 3.6 to path, and you have to click on install now, not customize installation. You just click install now, but make sure before that you have checked the checkbox that is add Python 3.6 to path. What it does actually, if you check the checkbox, automatically it will set your environmental, like it will set the path in the environmental variable. You no need to do manually. Okay, that is the advantages of selecting this checkbox. Then your installation will start. It will just tell matter of just I think 30 seconds to 1 minute. Within 1 minute it will complete. Okay, now I can say finally a successful installation of Python. You will get such type of pop-up and a message like setup was successful. Happy coding. Here the Python installation completed. So how do you know whether it's successfully installed or not? Now you go to your start menu, you click there like Python, you'll be able to see the Python IDLE editor or like Python 3.6. You just click any option, it will come like that, and it will show your Python version is 3.6.5 and it's a triple arrow mark. If you are getting like that, then your Python is successfully installed. Or else you can check another way also, like click type command. You open in command prompt. Okay, I open command prompt. Then you type like Python. You type Python, so you'll be able to see like Python version 3.6.5. Okay, if you're able to see like this, then yeah, you are sure that your Python installation is successfully completed. So that's all, friends. Like in this we have completed the Python installation session successfully, and going forward I will teach lot of upcoming magical coding in Python, and we'll see step by step, one by one. Please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and share the this channel to your friends who are looking for job and looking for transition. I can say a lot of programming languages are available, like Java, Scala, PHP, .NET, and Python. If you have taken decision to learn Python, really you have taken the right decision in your life, because Python is hot in the market nowadays. So going forward, I will teach from top to bottom, like each and every concept in the Python, like OOPS concept, exceptional handling, functional programming, everything we'll see one by one. And in addition to that, some real-time programming, some use cases, and how Amazon Alexa work, how to convert text into audio to text, and how to encrypt your personal files like PDF files, Excel file, and all that we'll see one by one. Okay, and one more things, like I will come very soon. I will come up with some academic project, like if any of your friends is continuing, like BTech or MCA, they're looking for any project to submit. So definitely I will come up with the project for different domain, like insurance domain, banking domain, and lot more things. Okay, and going forward also, I will teach the data science. I will come up with a NumPy, pandas concept, machine learning concept, deep learning concept, everything we'll see one by one. Thank you so much. Please subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.